Hey YouTube, so I've got a 2023 Nissan Pathfinder and I've got the headlight error code. I'm going to attempt to change the headlight myself. So I got the part the other day from Amazon. I'm pretty sure it's made in China. Came in a pretty big box. So that's the box it came in. I thought it would be another box inside of a box. But it's the whole headlight. It's pretty big. So it didn't come with the colored trim piece. I'm assuming that will just screw into these holes here. And I'll take it off the old headlight. I couldn't find any videos on how to do this, so I'm gonna make one myself. And I hope this helps anyone else out. No bulbs to change. There is an incandescent, I think it's a marker light or turn signal light over here, but the internal LEDs are not changeable. So you have to replace the whole assembly. Doesn't make any sense, Nissan. Normally it wouldn't bother me. It's just the bright LED that's out, but I live in the crooked state of Pennsylvania and it will fail the state inspection. So I gotta replace it, unfortunately, and this will be a learning experience for all of us.